Hello students, welcome back to class. This is our fourth class of revision, chapter number 6, triangle class 10th. In last video we have discussed of exercise 6.3, 1 to 5 question. Now we are going to discuss question number 6 and onward. Let us see what is question number 6. If triangle ABE, this one triangle is congruent to triangle ACD, then show that ADE triangle is similar to triangle ABC. These two triangles are given to us congruent ABE. This triangle is congruent with the triangle ACD. Now we can write what is given. Given is triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. And what is to prove? To prove is triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. ADE triangle, this smaller triangle, ADE triangle, and ABC, these two triangles we have to prove similar. Let us use what is given to us in proof. Given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. If these two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will be equal. This I can write ABE triangle, side AB of this triangle is equals to side AC of triangle ACD. This AC side is equals to AB. These are the part of congruent triangle, CPC. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. After that, this ABE, side AE, and ACD, side AD. This AD side is equals to AE side, AD equals to AE. This is also bicyclicity. Now, say equation number 1 and equation number 2, dividing 1 by 2. Dividing this 2 by 1 I want to dividing 2 by 1. Then what I will get? This AD by AB equals to A and AE by AC. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio, means this ratio we got in triangle. Now what is to prove? To prove is triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Now in these two triangles I will work. I have to prove these two triangles are similar. ADE, this is ADE. In this triangle angle A and ABC. In this also angle A. Angle A is common in both triangle. This I will write. It is common, and if you will see, you got this ratio AD by AB equals to AE by AC. AD by AB and AE by AC. Then these two triangles are similar by side angle side ratio. Then I can say, so triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by side angle side ratio. By side angle side ratio, these two triangles are similar. What is given to us? These ABE and ACD. These two triangles are congruent. Then I will write corresponding part of congruent triangle, and then I will divide these two equations 2 by 1. Then I will get AD by AB ratio is equals to AE by AC ratio. This ratio I will get, and further, if you will see, this A is common in both triangle, in ADE and ABC. This angle A is common. So in these two triangles, angle A is common and this corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABE. Next question. What is next? Question number 7. Altitude AD and CF CE. This is AD altitude and this is CE altitude of a triangle ABC. Intersect each other at the point P. These altitudes are intersecting each other at point P. Show that, what is first part? AEP. AEP, this one triangle, and CDP, this one triangle, CDP. These two triangles we have to prove similar. How we can prove these two triangles are similar? Okay, these, what is given? Given AD and CE are altitudes. AD and CE are altitudes. After that, what is to prove? To prove is triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Which one two triangles I have to prove similar? I will work in that triangle. Let us see. Proof. What is proof? In triangle AEP and triangle CDP. AEP, this is AEP triangle, this one triangle, and CDP, this one triangle. Let us see. This angle E is 90 degree because this CE is altitude on AB, and this D angle is also 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree, and this P is vertically opposite angle. This angle is equals to this one. These are two vertically opposite angles. So by angle similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. What you will write? Angle in this triangle AEP, angle AEP equals to angle CDP. You will write each 90 degree. Reason is each 90 degree. And in triangle AEP, you will write APE angle equals to angle CPD. These are vertically opposite angle. These are vertically opposite angles. You can say triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by angle similarity rule. Angle similarity rule. Two angles are similar. What is second part? Second part is ABD. Let us use next page. Now, what is second part? Second part is CBE. CBE. Let us identify these triangles here. ABD, this A, B, and D, this triangle, and CBE. Where is CBE? CBE. These two triangles we have to prove similar. Let us see. In triangle ABD, this ABD, this angle B is there, common, and this E is 90 degree. So in this triangle also we got two angles same. Two angles are same. So these two triangles will be similar by angle similarity criteria. Let us write in triangle ABD and triangle CBE. You will write angle ABD is equals to angle CBE because it is common. This is common in both triangle. A will be and CBE. Then again angle B we are counting. So this B angle is common in both triangle. Next, in triangle ABD, angle D is at 90 degree. ADB is equals to, in triangle CBE, AEB. In triangle CBE, E is 90 degree, so I will write CEB. Angle CEB, 90 degree. So we go to triangle same in both triangle, then I can say triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE by angle similarity. Angle similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Let us see what is third part. In third part, we have to prove AEP, triangle AE. In third part, we have to prove triangle AEP. AEP means this one triangle, and ADB. This is ADB. These two triangle we have to prove similar. Again, see triangle AEP, AEP, this one triangle, and ADB, this one triangle we have to prove similar. Let us see. While you are taking this triangle APE, you are counting angle A, and in triangle ADB, then we are counting angle A. It means angle A is common in both triangle, and you will see APE means this angle in this triangle E is 90 degree, and angle in triangle ADB angle D is 90 degree. So we got one angle common and one angle 90 degree. We got two angles are same in both triangles. So by angle similarity criteria, again these two triangles will be similar. Now in triangle AEP and triangle ADB, you will see angle this EAP, I can write EAP equals to, in triangle you can write BAD. This is common. This angle A is common in both triangle, and angle AEP equals to angle ADB because each 90 degree. So I can say triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB by angle similarity criteria. By angle similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Now, fourth part, triangle PDC. This is triangle PDC, this one triangle, and BEC. These two triangles we have to prove similar. You will see this angle C is common in both triangle. Angle C is common, and angle D is equals to angle E, each 90 degree. Let us write in triangle PDC and triangle BEC. Angle this PCD equals to angle BCE. This is common. This is common in both triangle, and angle PDC. This angle PDC, this is 90 degree, and this angle E is also 90 degree. So you will write PDC angle is equals to angle BEC, each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. Two angles we got same in these two triangles. So by angle similarity criteria, these two triangles will be similar. So I can say triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. By angle similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Question number 7 is completed. You can see this question is quite lengthy, but it is very easy. All 4 parts we have proven by angle similarity criteria. We have proven these all parts similar by angle similarity criteria, and that two angles are very easily you can deduct in your figure. One angle is of 90 degree, and somewhere it is common, and somewhere vertically opposite angle. So next question. What is next question? Question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram is ABCD. This is A, B, C, D. E is the point. E is the point on the side AD. This AD is produced to point E of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE join B to E, intersect CD at point F. They are intersecting each other at point F. This AD is produced, means you are going to produce this side from D side. And if you will write a DA is produced, then you are going to produce from point A. So this AD is produced. It means you will produce from D to E. Okay. And what is to prove? To prove is, let us write what is given. Given is parallelogram ABCD. This parallelogram ABCD is given to us. Now, what is to prove? To prove is triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Let us identify which one triangle he is saying. ABE, ABE, this one triangle, and CFB. This is CFB. ABE triangle and CFB. These two triangles we have to prove similar. Now proof. Which one two triangle I have to prove similar? I will work in that triangle. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Let us try to find out how we can prove these two triangles similar. In triangle ABE, you will see angle A, and in triangle CFB, you will see angle C. These two angles are equal because these are the opposite angles of parallelogram. I will write in triangle ABE, angle BAE equals to angle FCB. These are opposite angle of parallelogram, and we know opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now let us find out next thing, how these can be equal. If you will see, this BC is parallel to this AD. This BC is parallel to AD, or this ABE in this triangle and this CFB, this one triangle. This angle B is equals to angle E. This angle B is equals to angle E. Why? These are alternate interior angle. Let us see. See, these two sides are parallel and these are also parallel. So these angles will be vertically opposite angle, alternate interior angle. As BC is parallel to this AD, means if you will extend till E, then it will be parallel to AE, and you will get angle B is equals to angle E. Okay, in triangle ABE, angle AEB equals to angle CBF. Reason is these are alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Again see, these BC is parallel to this AD, this AD. This BC is parallel to AD. So this angle B is equals to angle E. These are alternate interior angle. You can see this is Z. So these angles will be alternate interior angle. So these angles are alternate interior angle. So in two triangles, we got two angles are same. If two angles are same, then these two triangles will be similar. So I can say triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by angle similarity criteria. And third angle automatically will be equal by angle sum property. So no need to write. If we are getting two angles same in two triangles, then that two triangles will be similar by angle similarity criteria. This question number 8 is completed.